Ever noticed your pet eyeing your comfy chair jealously while you're working? Like many pet owners, you probably struggle with keeping your pet happy without sacrificing your own productivity or comfort. What if they could have a seat of their own? Introducing SeatMate. Not just a pet chair, but a throne where pets lounge like royalty. Designed for small to medium-sized pets, SeatMate combines robust functionality with luxurious comfort, ensuring your pet is happy without disrupting your space. Built like a tank but soft like a cloud, SeatMate features a sturdy metal frame with a plush, machine-washable cushion. It includes a gently sloping ramp equipped with an easy slide mechanism, allowing pets of all ages and health conditions to climb up safely. The entire setup supports pets up to 50 pounds and integrates seamlessly into any space. Meet Willie, the inspiration behind the SeatMate. When Andrew found himself constantly distracted by Willie while working, he knew there had to be an answer. Motivated by Willie's comfort and his need to get shit done, Andrew, alongside a team of animal lovers, developed the perfect solution. The SeatMate doesn't just ease pet anxiety, it protects your productivity bubble, allowing you to work, or not work, without the pet interruptions. It's a testament to spending quality time with your best friend without compromise. With 5 million likes and 150 million views on social media, along with a thriving community of 84,000 followers, we think it's safe to say the internet is obsessed with SeatMate. Now, we're ready to bring SeatMate to your homes and help pet owners like you upgrade their space. But we need your help. Support our Kickstarter campaign today and be among the first to experience the comfort and convenience of SeatMate. Back us on Kickstarter and let's make this vision a reality together. SeatMate. Comfort for them, convenience for you.